At some point in life, we all ponder our purpose. When what once brought us joy loses its allure, confusion sets in. Here are few Japanese philosophies that offer new perspective and aid in discovering a fulfilling purpose. Ikigai. It means your reason for being. Ikigai is not solely about professional achievements. It's the purest of joy and inspiration that motivates you daily. Karma. It means to endure with patience and dignity. Karma teaches the art of maintaining composure during challenging times, emphasizing resilience and self-retention. Kintsugi. It means to join with gold. Kintsugi is the art of putting broken pottery pieces back together with gold. They use this as a metaphor for embracing your imperfections and always putting back together the pieces. Ubatori. It means to resist the urge to compare yourself to others. Just as each flower blooms in its own time, everyone has a unique journey. So focus on your individual path. Harahachibu. It means to eat until 80% full. Instead of overeating, strive for 80% fullness, promoting better digestion and avoiding unnecessary bloating. Shirin-yoku. It means forest bathing. It's a way to find calmness and relaxation. Find calmness among trees, observe nature, and breathe deeply. This practice reduces stress, enhances creativity, and improves your overall well-being. Okitamu. It translates to I humbly accept with an open heart. The sooner you can accept all the good and bad things life throws at you, the lighter you will feel. Avoid wasting your time feeling sorry for yourself. Instead, embrace your reality and deal with it. Kaizen. In Japanese, the term is made of two words, Kai meaning change and Zen meaning good. It is about constant and never-ending improvement. It urges that even small changes accumulate to impact your life in a big way.